Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a video for you all if you're having a bad hair day or you don't know what you want to do with your hair or anything like that. This is a really super cute and easy hairstyle that you can do. So my hair is a mess, as you can see. So I am just making a part in the middle of my head, and then I'm going to put away the front of my hair because I'm going to start with the back first. So I'm just going to use some of my Moroccan Curling Perfection just so that my hair can have a little bit of moisture on it, and I am just going to comb that on through my hair, and I'm just going to braid it down. I'm just doing 2 big braids in the back. You could do flat twist if you want, or you could do really small braids or twists, whatever you prefer. It doesn't really matter as long as it's gonna hold, because you're going to be putting your clip-ins on them. And I do the same exact thing on the other side, and then I'm just going to use a bobby pin to pin that in place and secure it. So the clip-ins I'm going to be using are from Better Length, and I'll leave all the information to their website and their Instagram and everything in the description box. So I've used these clip-ins before. I didn't even really do anything to them. The only thing that I did was take them out the little bag that they were in, and I just sprayed them with water and ran my fingers through them, and they just came back to life. I mean, they didn't even look bad when I took them out the bag, so that's definitely a plus. And I don't have them in any particular order. I'm just putting them to where they fit the size of my head. So I think I did about 4 rows of clip-ins in the back, and you could already tell how thick and full it looks. So one bundle of this hair will be enough for you. So now I'm just going to gather some hair from the top of my head, and to cover the tracks in the back, I'm just going to make a part right above where the tracks are. The part is not perfect, which is absolutely fine, but I'm just taking out some hair so that it will cover the tracks so it won't be as noticeable. So I'm just taking a little bit of water and spraying that on my hair. Then next I'm just putting in a little bit of curling cream and then just brushing that on through. And just to have my hair blend in with the clip-ins even more, I'm just coiling my hair around my fingers. I'm not doing them super tight, but I'm just doing it enough to where it will actually blend in with my hair. So you could do whatever you like. If you need to just rake your fingers through your hair, or use a brush and brush your hair with the clip-ins so that it can blend in better. Whatever method works best for you, do that. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the back. The white stuff is the product, which will eventually dry. And next I am just going to tackle the front of my hair. So I'm just spraying my hair with a little bit of water, and then I'm using some edge control, and I'm just going to brush that down so that my edges could be nice and smooth and lay super duper flat. And I'm just going to put a hair tie and make my little ponytail. And once I put that ponytail in, I'm just doing a really loose twist. So if you want to do a braid, whatever you want to do, y'all, go ahead and do that. But this is going to work best for me because my clip-ins clip better to them because it's not as tight. So I'm only using 2 clip-ins. This one has two clips in it, and then one has one clip in it. And I am just attaching that to my twist. And then once I'm done with that, I just go ahead and wrap it around itself and form it into a bun. And then I am going to secure it with a rubber band, or if you don't have any rubber bands, you can always use bobby pins. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Also, I just wanted to say, I see that I have a whole bunch of new subscribers, and I just want to say thank you for supporting me and subscribing to my channel. Let me know down below if you are a new subby, and let me know why you subscribe to me and what other videos you would like to see in the future. All right, y'all, so once I am done forming my bun, I just go back in and lay these edges a little bit, because y'all know how I feel about my edges. I always gotta do some little swoopage to them. But that is basically it, y'all. Super easy. I think this is a really cute hairstyle, especially if you're having a really bad hair day or you don't know what to do with your hair. I love this hairstyle because it reminds me of Scary Spice. I was the biggest Spice Girls fan. Y'all don't even know. Like, I had the shirts, the movies, the dolls, the bike. Y'all don't even know. But that is it, y'all. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next video.